Good morning to dear honorable guest, worthy principal, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today we all are here to celebrate 75th Independence Day of India. India is a country of various religions, culture, caste and traditions. Independence Day is the most important national festival of India. As we all know that Independence Day is the best occasion on which we express our happiness of getting free. Independence Day has already written as the most valuable day of India. On 15 August, we celebrate Independence Day to remember all those sacrifices that our freedom fighters did for us. They devoted their entire life for the freedom of the country. As a result of their struggle, their sacrifices, our country, India, got independence. We do not have to follow anybody's slavery. Independence Day is marked with the flag raising ceremonies, drills, singing of Indian national anthem. Additionally, various cultural programs are made available in the state capitals. After the Prime Minister participate in flag raising ceremony at Red Fort, a historic monument in Old Delhi, a parade ensues with the members of armed forces and police. The Prime Minister then delivers a televised address to the country of major accomplishments of the country during the previous year and major future challenges and goals. Kite flying has also become an Independence Day tradition, with kites of different shapes, size, colors filling the sky. This day is a national celebration for all Indians who come together in the joy of independent India. On this day, let us take a pledge that we in India will work hard toward the progress of our motherland, to keep up her name and fame in the world, to say that we are also a great power on the earth. We will let our tricolor fly high ever on the sky. No doubt the days are not far away to say that we are also a superpower on the earth. We will also promise that we will protect our India by educating ourselves and educate everyone. So let's come together on this auspicious occasion and salute our freedom fighters who fought for our freedom. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.